everybody. My name is Kevin Fournier, and I am a freelance intellectual property lawyer. And prior to that, I was at IBM in IBM's intellectual property legal department for the last 25 years. And I'm very happy to be here at the Cosmonauts event, London IP Week. I've been before several times, and I've spoke while I was in IBM at different events in the past. I've always got a lot of value from it and met a lot of people. And now that I'm off on my own, it's even more important to make contacts and networking, and it's been great so far.
It's been a fantastic mix of engagement of players across the whole of the IP landscape. Some really fantastic speakers, some great panel sessions. We've even had some live debating between some of the commercial majors going head to head over terms of licensing and such like, plus insights into issues of the day. There's a fantastic opportunity to network as well and really mingle with both the speakers and with fellow attendees at the event. Top quality, I would say. For me, first time back at an event for a couple of years, and well worth it. There's definitely something to be gained by engaging directly with people that really doesn't come across in the Zoom world. And if you're not here, you're missing out. So make sure you come next year.